If you need to update your Visa card in Namecheap, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can add your new payment card quickly and avoid any billing interruptions on your account. This is especially useful if your old card expired, your bank issued a replacement card, or you simply want to switch to a different Visa card for future renewals and payments. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email address and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Account. This menu gives you access to your account settings, profile, and billing information. From the drop-down, select Profile. This is where Namecheap stores your personal account details and billing-related settings. Next, go to Billing. In the Billing section, you'll see everything connected to your payment methods and invoices. Now, look for payment cards. This is the area where your saved cards are managed. If you already have an old card on file, this is the place where you can update or replace it. Click Manage to open the payment card settings. On this screen, you should see the option to add a new card. Click Add New Card. Now enter your new Visa card details carefully. Type in the card number exactly as it appears on the card. Then enter the card holder name, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure every detail matches your card information to avoid any payment errors. If Namecheap asks for a billing address, enter the billing address associated with your Visa card. This may include your street address, city, state or region, postal code, and country. Double check everything before continuing, because even a small mistake can prevent the card from being saved successfully. Once all the information is filled out, click Save Changes. Namecheap will now store your new Visa card in your account and you can use it for future payments, renewals, and billing needs. After saving, it's a good idea to return to your billing section and confirm that the new card appears correctly in your payment methods. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Visa card in Namecheap. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.